What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to channel. Welcome back to the another video. Now few days ago I posted this thing on my social media, and many people were asking me that what happened, why my iPhone get locked. And basically, all the things happening with the iOS 27, the finance lock and stuff, and people are worried about this thing. What if their device get locked? Well, don't worry about anything. I got you covered. I got a solution here. And not only if your device get locked, if you want to remove Apple ID from your older iPhone, if you want to do anything from your older iPhone, if you want to remove, iPhone lock, you can remove that too. It's not about only older iPhone. I mean, if even if you're running the latest iOS version or any older iOS version, no matter what, you can do lot more stuff with this software. It is not only about iCloud activation lock, it is many more than that. Also, I will be sharing links in the description of the software. So without any further delay, let's get dive into this video. Okay, so this is the website. As you can see, it says PassFab iPhone Unlock, and it offers many different features. It is fast, it is secure, and the best part, it is very easy, and you don't need any sort of jailbreak or anything like that. And here are mentioned things what you can do with it. You can unlock all types of screen passcode effortlessly, and here are more stuff. You can remove Apple ID and also remove iCloud activation lock without any password. So it's a really cool software. There are tons of options available, and these are one of the best. And here is how you can download it. It's quite simple. If you are a Windows user, you need to go select and Windows over here. But if you're a Mac user, you can go for the Mac one. And after tapping on this, it will open a new tab. And as you can see, it is downloading this software. Now once the download is complete, this is how it is going to look like. This is the your PassFab iPhone lock. Here are different sort of features available. If I go for unlock iOS screen, you can see you can connect your device and unlock your device no matter what issue you are facing. You can also remove Apple ID. You can also bypass MDM, and some more features over here. You can look at these. There's some more features are here, but this is the best thing. You can bypass the iCloud activation lock on locked devices instantly. So this is what we are gonna do today. So now what I need to do is I need to connect my iPhone. Once your device is connected, it will detect your device. It will tell you which iPhone you are using, and it shows that it is supporting or not, and also tells you iOS version. And now you need to choose the path of where you can download the firmware. And also, if you already have firmware file, you can also import that. Since I don't have, I'm gonna download it right now, and it will begin the downloading. Now once the downloading is done, it will start cracking the iCloud activation lock. And as you can see, and once it is done too, my phone is good to go. My phone is now unlocked. The iCloud activation lock is now removed. So this is a really good software. There's a lot more stuff. You can also remove Apple ID. It is gonna take few seconds, and it is done. It is super cool, super quick software. And as you can see, my Apple ID is also removed successfully. So I can do more stuff. Mainly it was all about that how I can remove activation lock iCloud, and that is super cool. Again, links are in the description. So yeah, that is the way. That is the most easiest way to unlock your device. That is the most easiest way to repair your device. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section below. Everything is given in the description. You can try this out. It is a really good software, and no matter even if your device is iCloud lock, you need to remove that activation lock. You can do that, and you can do a lot more stuff with this one. So yeah, make sure to subscribe the channel, and again check the links in the description. There is a lot more for you guys. That's it from this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.